Hi friends, all national symbol of India. National game hockey, national flag Tiranga, national currency Indian rupees, national river Ganga, national animal Bengal tiger, national bird peacock, national tree banyan tree, national flower lotus, national anthem Janagana Mana, national song Vande Mataram, national motto Satyameva Jayate, national calendar Saka calendar, national aquatic animal dolphin, national heritage animal elephant, national reptile, national reptile king cobra, national vegetable pumpkin, national fruit mango. Thanks.